Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the tool library. So when you buy a machine from Blue Motion CNC, we will send you a toolset library file, which will basically be the toolset specific to the plasma unit that you have on your machine. So I'm just going to talk you through the process and show you how to actually install the tool library. So at the moment, if I click up here on tool library, and if I go to my libraries, you can see that there's no libraries actually available. So, or it's just like a generic by default from Fusion, so that's not a useful library. So this library is going to be specifically for the plasmas, the plasma systems that Blue Motion are selling. So for this particular customer that we're setting this up for, we've got a plasma toolset library already pre-made, and we're going to send that to the customer. So when you get the file from us, basically you need to come over to library here, right click, import library, and then navigate to the file that we send you. So it'll probably be on your downloads. So it's going to be a file that looks like this, and it's going to be named with the plasma source that you have. So for this particular one, I'm going to click on this file, open the file, and now all my different plasma settings have been added into the tool library. So when we go to do a cam operation later on, we've got all our different curve widths and speeds set up, and it makes the process nice and easy.